Welcome to TS Academy Atlas and welcome to English language course. From today we are starting our first module, English grammar rules. Understanding grammar rules is essential for clear and effective communication in English. We will cover basic grammar concepts such as parts of speech, articles, sentence structure, verb tenses and punctuation. Parts of speech consist of nouns, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. These are the core parts of speech in English. Each play a specific or significant role in forming sentences and conveying messages and meanings. Noun. Noun is a word other than pronoun. If I am saying Ali, then its pronoun form is he. If I am saying Amna, then its pronoun form is she. This is how noun and pronoun relate each other. A noun is a part of speech that serves as a subject or as an object. There are three types of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun. Common noun. Common noun refer as common things, common places, common or general people. For example, any animal, any book, any city. If I ask from you, which of the following is a common noun? Here are four options available. Sunlight. Sunlight is a common noun. Generate is a verb. Extremely is adverb. And beautiful is adjective. Next we will learn about it in details, but for now, sunlight is a common noun. Proper noun. Proper noun means specific name. Specific name of people, of places, specific names of things, or specific event. They are usually start with capital letter, like Abdullah, London, World War I. World War I is the specific event in the history. For instance, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Mount Everest is a proper noun. Here one more thing that you need to know: world is a common noun or a proper noun. If it is refer to a general concept, then it is a common noun. But if it is refer to our planet, then it is a proper noun. Next is collective noun. Collective noun means group of peoples, group of things that refer as single entity. For example, group of family member refer as single entity family. Flock of birds, परिंदों का झुंड, and family. These are the collective nouns. This is all about noun. If you are watching this video, kindly like this video and share with dad who wants to join us through this journey, and subscribe my channel TS Academy Atlas.